Hello, my name is Sharon Fitzpatrick and welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle with Sharon. Today we're going to show you how to make a lovely jacket potato with cheese and onions. And I'm going to do it in two slightly different ways. So this is your jacket potato served with some salad. That's one way of serving it, and I'm going to show you another way of doing it. So enjoy your jacket potato. So enjoy the video and do give it a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to share it with your friends on social media. And if you haven't done so already, do subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so that it will just give you that gentle reminder when the video comes out every week so you don't miss them. These are so simple to do, these jacket potatoes. Get yourself a really nice potato. A nice white potato is good, or a rooster potato is lovely with the red skins. And just make sure they are good, because you don't want one with any bad bits in if you want to eat the skins. And what you're going to do is obviously be careful with this bit and just get a sharp knife and just poke little holes into your potato. And this stops it from exploding. Then you just want to get a bit of kitchen foil and wrap it in the kitchen foil. So if you don't wrap them in foil like this, then it just means that the skins go extra crispy. And personally, they can go too crispy, and I don't like them like that, but that's personal taste. If you like the skins just nice, keep them in the foil. But if you like a little bit more crispiness, maybe half an hour before you take them out of the oven, then take the foil off, and that will give it that nice crispy edge, which will just be nice. But doing it all the way through the cooking would just be too much, too crispy. So you want to just place these straight onto the racks, not put it in a baking tray. I'm going to dice an onion. So chop off this end, not the root end. Go along the ways like that. Turn and go along the ways like that. So you're just going to melt a bit of butter in your pan and add your diced onions. And you don't want to overcook these, you just want them nice and soft. Right, so what you're going to do with the potato this time is actually cut it in half. So what I want you to do is scoop out your potato and put it into a bowl. Don't matter if you leave a little bit of potato in there. So you can do this with a great big jacket potato. I actually couldn't get any big ones from the shop, so I've only got these little ones, but that's okay. They're more like potato skins then. It's best if you do leave a little bit of potato in there, just a very tiny amount. Otherwise the skin gets a bit flimsy. And then what you do is you put some cheese in. You want a good bit of cheese in this. Now I use orange cheese, but you could use normal white cheddar cheese. This is just an orange cheddar cheese I'm using. But you can use any cheese. Whatever is your favourite type of cheese, put it in. Make sure you have a good amount. Now you can put butter in this. I don't bother. You've got enough flavour going on, and it's not dry with this nice mixture of the cheese, so you don't need to have butter in it. Then you want to add some onions and just give it a good mix around. Now obviously if you really love your onions, put loads in. There's no right or wrong with the quantities on this. Just mix plenty of cheese and a good bit of onion. If you want, you can add a little bit of salt and pepper in at this stage. So as you can see, because I'm using the orange cheese, it makes it a little bit easier for me to be showing you, but I've got loads of cheese in there. And it's had a good mix. So now we're just going to put that back into the skins. You put your skins in a baking tray, and you just get a spoonful of your mixture and get another spoon to push it into the skin. And squash it down as much as you can. Now there'll obviously be a lot more mixture because you've added ingredients to it. So you want to just top it right up as much as you can. Be a big mound of it, and that's okay. Just do a spoonful at a time and pile it up. So that's what they look like before they go in the oven. And I'll show you in about 15 minutes how they look. So as you can see, this is what they look like when they come out of the oven. So here is our lovely stuffed jacket potatoes with the cheese and onion. And they really are delicious. Now, if you want to cook them longer than 15 minutes to give that crispiness on the top, you can. Otherwise, this is it. Perfect. And it's served with some homemade coleslaw. So if you want to see how to make the homemade coleslaw, I'll put the link below. So enjoy your jacket potato. Right, so we're just going to grate some cheese up. So you've got your half moons like that. That's how I like to do it. And you just put these in a frying pan. And I'm actually cooking these in butter rather than olive oil. I think with the jacket potato, a nice bit of butter in with the onions is lovely. Now if you like your onions crispy, you can cook them on a little bit of a medium to high heat. But if you like them just nice and soft, then cook them on a lower heat. Okay, so as you can see, this is the one we've just taken out of the oven, and it just looks really, really nice. Now, what we're going to do is we're just going to put across with a sharp knife, not going all the way across, because otherwise you're going to cut the potato in half. So just about there to about there, and there to about there. Then you need to get a tea towel or something for this, because otherwise it will be too hot and you will burn. So what you're wanting to do is see the corners. You want to squeeze each one of those corners. So just squeeze into the center and you'll see it open up like this. Kind of squeeze down and in. Not too much because the whole thing will just explode, but it just opens it up enough so you can put your filling into it. Now you can put a bit of butter in there, that's optional. Then just put your few onions on the top, and then you sprinkle some cheese and just push it down and open the jacket potato up a little bit more, and that cheese will melt. If it's not melting enough for you, you can just put it in the oven for a few minutes or under the grill. And you can serve with some baked beans as well, which would be quite nice. So this is your jacket potato, served with some salad. Well, thank you for watching today's video, and I hope you enjoyed it. And do subscribe to the channel so you get to see more lovely videos. Looking forward to doing some more for you. Which, if you want to see the video on how to make the homemade, if you want to see the video on how to make the homemade I could see your shoulders moving. Right, get myself together. So if you want to see right, oh, I'll see it. Leave the room for a minute because I see you and I can't do it. Right, stop.